What are we going to do, Abram?
We're gonna make a mango banana shake.
Okay, so what are the ingredients that we need to make mango banana shake? Okay, what are those ingredients that you have there? Okay, what is that? Okay, you have banana. What else? Okay, how about that? What's that?
Mango.
Okay, a mango. And then this one?
A milk. Milk.
Okay, milk. Okay, and we have also another milk syrup and a special ingredients. What's this? Okay, it's a mango yogurt.
Oh.
Okay, so we need that one. Okay, and then we also need. Okay, what's this?
Some biscuit.
Okay, a stick O. Okay, so we need this one. Okay, for our garnishing. Okay, and then we need also a blender and some measuring cups. Okay, so are you ready to make?
Yes.
Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is to place the mango inside our blender. Okay, wait. Kuya Abram first. Okay, Kuya Abram, we will put now the mango here. Okay, and then next will be the
Banana.
banana. Okay, there you go. Okay, so let's put out here. Okay, there. And then, so we need now the
Milk.
milk. Okay, so we need some milk. So we're going to pull this one. So this is 1 cup, so 8 ounces. So we're going to
That's mine.
yes. Okay, so that's 8 ounces.
Enough.
What's this?
A visitor.
It's a milk syrup. Okay, that's made up of
Oh, that's mine.
condensed and
It's
fat.
mine.
Okay, so we need
It's mine.
50 ml. Okay,
Yes. I'm just drinking it.
okay. And then the last one, we need the special ingredients, the mango
Juice.
yogurt. Okay. So just open. Is that the way of opening it?
Yeah.
Okay, using your.
I was a little baby.
Okay.
Look like a rain.
Adding Jem you more. Oh, adding Jem
How about
Oh,
me?
adding Jem
No, we need.
I think we need more milk. So are you ready to blend?
Yes.
Okay. Adding Abram muna. Wow, look at that. Yeah. Okay. Let's see, let's see.
Oh, let's see if the.
Okay, look at that. Is it yummy?
Yes! Delicious. The
Smells
really
delicious.
biscuit.
Okay, are you ready to taste?
Yes.
Okay, so you are going to taste now your
Lemonade.
Doon sa pala.
We have. I think we can do that.
Taste now your
Lemonade.
mango banana shake. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Tastes good.
And we need banana.
How it tastes?
Yummy.
Careful. Tastes good?